In this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your Shopify store. So I am on the admin page here, and what we want to do is go one by one here. So I'll walk you through this step by step. So first, we're going to go to orders here, and then you will see an option to export. Click on export here, and then we want to export all orders. And we can do CSV for Excel numbers or plain CSV. I will do CSV for Excel numbers, this first option, and then we will click on export orders. Now your exports are, or your orders are exporting. It will be emailed to our email address. Depending on how many orders you're exporting, this could take a few moments. So after we have set this option here, then the next step we need to do is go to products. And again, we're going to repeat the same process. So here we will just click on export. We will select all products, leave this as it is, and then click on export products. And again, it will be emailed to our email address. And we have to go through every single one of those sections here. So customers, export, and you repeat the same process. And you can go to content. And basically all of the sections that you have here that have an option to export, you want to export them to your email address. And that is how you back up your web store on Shopify. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.